Natasha. So for today's video, I'm going to show you my skincare routine. I actually have two, one for the morning and one for night. I'm pretty diligent about doing them every day just because my skin is really oily and tends to break out a lot. I don't know if y'all can tell, it doesn't look so bad in the camera, but also I'm having like a good skin day. But usually I will have like a lot of oil in the T-zone area. I have really large pores here. I've got lots of bumps, acne, some redness. Yeah. You know those people that have like naturally perfect skin? It doesn't matter if they don't take off their makeup or if they skip a skincare routine for one day. Like, it just still looks good and they don't really break out. That's not me. Like, my skin just is, I've just accepted that she's never gonna quite be like that, but she's doing well for who she is. There was definitely a time in high school where I was constantly breaking out. My forehead was basically just like rocky terrain, and so that was pretty bad. It was from that experience that I learned how to sort of have my own skincare routine and take care of it and find products that work. I'm still kind of looking for like the perfect routine, but I'm honestly not even sure that's a thing. I'll probably have to deal with like breakouts and really oiliness for the rest of my life. So it's like that. Also, yes, I am wearing a William Mary shirt, repping my school, and I am not wearing pants. So all those comments about YouTubers not wearing pants in their videos is true. But let's get started. I use just a dollop of this Neutrogena face wash. It's really mild, it doesn't lather up, and leaves a minty feeling on your skin, which is perfect for my acne-prone and oily skin. Some of the ingredients in this product stick to the bottom, so you have to give it a little shake to mix it up. It has tea tree oil in it, which is great for acne and large pores, and The Body Shop is a sustainable and cruelty-free brand, which is amazing. I love this brightening eye cream because I have naturally dark circles. I always use my ring fingers to apply it because the under eye area is very delicate and the ring finger is not as strong, so it tugs on the skin less. Derma E is another great sustainable brand. I use their blemish control serum and apply it to my T-zone and any other parts of my face where I break out a lot. If my skin is feeling more problematic that day, I will use this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum for a little extra moisture. For my final step, I use a moisturizer. I make sure it has SPF in it because protecting your skin from the sun is so important. Alright, so now I am back with a full face of makeup on after a day's worth of activities. So it's now nighttime and I'm going to do my nighttime skincare routine. I have changed into this comfy hoodie and I am wearing pants now this time. Oh, I need to put back my hair first. Alright, so I'm ready for my skincare. So first I take off my eye makeup. I love this oil-free one from Neutrogena because it doesn't make my eyelids feel all sticky and gross afterwards, but it still works really well for removing that stubborn mascara. So as you can tell, I really love using Neutrogena products. Their makeup wipes are really mild and do the job for getting rid of the rest of my makeup. So just to make sure I have gotten every last trace of makeup off my skin, I use this cleansing balm from Vanilla Co, which is a Korean brand. It's basically this balm that melts into an oil when you apply it, and I make sure I really rub it into my skin to get all the makeup off, and then afterwards you just wash it off with water. I actually think I'm going to use face masks today, so you get a little bonus step of skincare. Actually, two bonus steps because I'm going to use both a clay mask and a sheet mask. So off we go.
I love that this clay mask comes in sort of like a twisty tube, so it's really easy to apply and there's no mess at all. It's also really lightweight compared to other clay masks, so it's not uncomfortable and it washes off easily.
I look like a weird goblin that lives under your bed. Also, I match my towel. Mint green is kind of my favorite color.
So next up are these acne treatment pads. They're great for, once again, keeping my breakouts in control, and I like to use them after a clay mask to make sure I get all the residue off. When I use sheet masks, I like to squeeze some of the juices out and put it on my face to get the full moisturizing effect. Then I put the sheet mask on, and I always struggle a little bit with getting it to fit, but when I finally do, I leave it on for 15 minutes. So between the two night creams that I have, tonight I'm using No. 7's Hydroluminous Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. It's really moisturizing and great for people with oily skin too, because we also need a lot of moisture.
Alright, so that's it for my morning and nighttime skincare routine. This is actually what I do every single day. Thank you guys so much for basically just watching me put like 20 different creams on my face for however long this video is gonna be. Bye!